Hello engineers, we are going to talk about authenticity and engineers. First we will see why authenticity is important for engineers. Authenticity is important for engineers for several reasons. Trust and credibility. Authenticity builds trust and credibility with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. When engineers are authentic, it creates an environment of honesty and transparency, which is crucial for fostering strong working relationships and ensuring the success of engineering projects. Effective communication. Authenticity in communication allows engineers to express their ideas, concerns, and feedback genuinely and honestly. This enables clearer communication and better collaboration within engineering teams, leading to more effective problem-solving and decision-making processes. Ethical responsibility. Engineers have a responsibility to prioritize safety, sustainability, and ethical considerations in their work. Authenticity helps engineers stay true to these principles by encouraging them to act in alignment with their values, even in challenging situations where there may be pressure to compromise. Innovation and creativity. Authenticity encourages engineers to bring the unique perspectives, ideas, and creativity to the table. By staying true to themselves, engineers can contribute original solutions to engineering challenges and drive innovation within their field. Personal fulfillment. Being authentic allows engineers to align their professional work with their personal values and aspirations. This alignment fosters a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction in their work, leading to greater overall well-being and job satisfaction. Resilience. Authenticity enables engineers to handle setbacks and failures with resilience. By being true to themselves, engineers can approach challenges with honesty and integrity, which helps them learn from mistakes and grow both personally and professionally. Overall, authenticity is essential for engineers because it not only promotes trust, effective communication, and ethical responsibility but also fosters innovation, personal fulfillment, and resilience in their work. Now we will see how authenticity can be nurtured in engineers. Authenticity in engineers can be nurtured through various means, including encouraging open communication. Create an environment where engineers feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, ideas, and concerns openly without fear of judgment or reprisal. This could involve regular team meetings, one-on-one discussions, or anonymous suggestion boxes to facilitate communication. Leading by example. Leaders and senior engineers should demonstrate authenticity in their own behavior and interactions. When leaders model authenticity, it sets a positive example for others to follow and creates a culture where authenticity is valued. Providing feedback. Offer constructive feedback that focuses on encouraging authenticity rather than conformity. Recognize and reinforce instances where engineers demonstrate authenticity in their work and interactions, and provide support and guidance when needed to help them stay true to themselves. Promoting diversity and inclusion. Embrace diversity in engineering teams and create an inclusive environment where individuals from different backgrounds feel welcome and valued. Encouraging diverse perspectives fosters authenticity by allowing engineers to bring their unique experiences and viewpoints to the table. Encouraging self-reflection. Encourage engineers to engage in self-reflection and introspection to understand their values, strengths, and areas for growth. This can involve activities such as journaling, attending workshops or seminars on personal development, or participating in mentoring programs. Providing autonomy and empowerment. Give engineers autonomy and empowerment in their work by allowing them to make decisions and take ownership of their projects. When engineers feel trusted and empowered, they are more likely to act authentically and take initiative in their work. Fostering psychological safety. Create a psychologically safe environment where engineers feel comfortable taking risks, making mistakes, and learning from failures without fear of blame or punishment. Psychological safety encourages authenticity by allowing engineers to be vulnerable and express themselves openly without fear of repercussions. Training and development. Offer training and development opportunities that focus on personal growth, emotional intelligence, and authentic leadership skills. This could include workshops on communication, conflict resolution, empathy, and self-awareness to help engineers cultivate authenticity in their professional interactions. By implementing these strategies, organizations can nurture authenticity in engineers and create a work culture that values honesty, integrity, and individuality, ultimately fostering greater innovation, collaboration, and job satisfaction. Now we will see the impact of authenticity in engineers on society. The impact of authenticity in engineers on society can be profound and wide-ranging. Trust in technology. Authentic engineers prioritize honesty, transparency, and ethical behavior in their work. This commitment to authenticity fosters trust in the technology they develop, assuring society that engineering solutions are reliable, safe, and aligned with ethical principles. Safety and reliability. Authentic engineers prioritize safety and reliability in their designs and decision-making processes. By staying true to their values and principles, engineers contribute to the development of technologies and infrastructure that enhance public safety and improve the quality of life for individuals and communities. Innovation and problem-solving. Authentic engineers bring their unique perspectives, creativity, and innovative ideas to the table. This authenticity fosters a culture of innovation within the engineering community, leading to the development of new technologies, solutions, and approaches that address societal challenges and improve the human condition. Ethical responsibility. Authentic engineers are committed to ethical responsibility and sustainability in their work. They consider the social, environmental, and ethical implications of their engineering projects, striving to minimize negative impacts and promote positive outcomes for society as a whole. Diversity and inclusion. Authentic engineers value diversity and inclusion in the engineering profession. By embracing diverse perspectives and experiences, engineers develop solutions that are more inclusive and equitable, addressing the needs of a broader range of individuals and communities within society. Communication and collaboration. Authentic engineers prioritize open and honest communication, fostering collaboration and teamwork within engineering projects. This authenticity enhances communication among interdisciplinary teams, stakeholders, and the broader community, leading to more effective problem-solving and decision-making processes. Role models and mentors. Authentic engineers serve as role models and mentors for future generations of engineers. Their commitment to authenticity inspires and motivates others to pursue careers in engineering and to uphold ethical standards and values in their work, contributing to the long-term positive impact of engineering on society. Overall, the impact of authenticity in engineers on society is multifaceted, encompassing trust in technology, safety and reliability, innovation, ethical responsibility, diversity and inclusion, effective communication, and mentorship. By prioritizing authenticity in their work, engineers contribute to the advancement of society and the well-being of individuals and communities around the world. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more information on engineers' growth. See you again.